Hello students, we are going to solve the numerical related to EMF, terminal potential and internal resistance of the cell. So numerical is a battery of EMF 3 volt and internal resistance small r is connected in series with a resistor of 55 ohm through an ammeter of resistance 1 ohm. We have a cell, a resistance and internal resistance and one more resistance 55 ohm and ammeter of resistance 1 ohm are connected in series, and the ammeter read 50 milliampere current. Draw the circuit diagram and calculate the value of R. So according to the given numerical, firstly you have to draw the circuit diagram. So in the circuit diagram, what are theirs? Firstly the cell, you know this is a cell of EMF 3 volt, and internal resistance, this is a internal resistance of the cell small r connected in series with a resistor of 55 ohm. In series a resistor is connected of 55 ohm. This is a resistor of 55 ohm is connected, and ammeter also, you know that ammeter also connected in series with the circuit. This is our ammeter of resistance. एमीटर की रेजिस्टेंस कितनी है 1 ओम. अब सीरीज में कनेक्ट कर रखे हैं. देन द एंड ऑफ दिस एमीटर इज आल्सो कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. द सेकंड एंड ऑफ द एमीटर इज कनेक्टेड टू द cell in this way. Okay, this is now this ammeter will read the current of 50 milliampere. Mean to say that अब इस एमीटर में करंट फ्लो कर रहा है फ्रॉम दिस सेल, वो कितना होगा I, दैट इज इक्वल टू 50 मिली एम्पियर. एमीटर के थ्रू जितना करंट मेजर करेगा वो कितना 50 मिली एम्पियर, दैट इज सर्किट में जो करंट फ्लो कर रहा है वो कितना है 50 मिली एम्पियर. ओके, सो नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस स्मॉल आर वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके, सो सिंपली वी विल यूज द फॉर्मूला because I is equal to E R plus small r. E, the value we know that this small r we have to calculate, and this is the resistance of external circuit, this one, and one more resistance is connected in series with the circuit, that is of ammeter. So this resistance also we will get add in of 1 ohm. So we can write E is equal to 55 plus small r plus 1 ohm. So E, the value of E is equal to 356 plus r. So 3 over 56 plus r is equal to I. The value of I is equal to 50 into 10 raised to power minus 3 milli, that is 10 raised to minus 3. So we can solve this value, we will get the result. This is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2. So the result is 3 over 5 into 10 raised to power minus 2, which is equal to 56 plus r. So we can write it as 300 over 5 56 plus r, that is equal to 4 ohm. So answer is 4 ohm is the internal resistance of this cell. So I think this question is clear to all of you. Only we have used this simple formula I is equal to E over r plus r, and one more resistance of the cell is added. Yes, resistance of this ammeter is added. Thank you. Hello students, now we are going to solve next numerical. A cell of EMF E and internal resistance R is connected across the variable load resistor R. This is a load resistor R and the cell and its internal resistance small r. So draw the plot of V versus R. V versus R, we have to plot the graph V versus R, and then V versus I. These are the two graphs that we have to plot firstly. So in order to plot the graph, firstly we must know that what is the relation between V and R when there is a cell connected with the external load resistor R. So because V is equal to IR, this is the relation between V and R. Further, the cell having internal resistance small r, then this current I is given by I is equal to R plus small r into R. We can write it E 1 plus R over R. This is the relation between terminal potential V and resistance R. So we will plot the graph V versus R. So see, when R is equal to 0, then when this R is equal to 0, so when this R is equal to 0, the 1 upon 0 is infinite, then 1 upon infinity, that is equal to 0. So then V is also is equal to 0. So when R is equal to 0, V also is equal to 0, then this graph will start from this point. Okay, this is. And when R is equal to infinite, then when R is equal to infinite, then V is equal to E. R infinite put करेंगे, 1 on infinity is equal to 0, तो अपने पास क्या बचेगा E, then V is equal to E. So when R is equal to infinite, R is equal to infinite, let us suppose here R is equal to infinite, then V is equal to E. So V is equal to maximum E. Okay, this is. So we get a constant value like this. V is equal to E. When R is equal to infinite, V becomes equal to E. And for the intermediate value of a resistance, we will get a V, the value of V. But that value of V will vary non-linearly. So then we will get this type of the graph. This non-linear graph we will get, and then this graph become parallel to this resistance axis. So at this point, E, that is V is equal to E, and as the resistance increases, we will get a non-linear values of terminal potential. We will get this type of the graph. And second is when the graph is plotted between V versus I, or V versus I, or V versus I. So because V is equal to E minus IR, V is equal to E minus IR. So we can write this equation. We have to plot the graph between V and I. So we can write this equation as V is equal to minus IR plus E. And by comparing this equation, with y is equal to mx plus c, so slope m is equal to minus I. This is minus r, because these are the variables. These are the variable V and I are the variable. So slope is equal to minus r, and c, that is intercept, that is equal to E. उसको वो क्या है, constant है. Clear this is. So from this equation we come to know that the graph between V versus I, the graph between V versus I is a straight line, but with decreasing slope, m, that is equal to minus r, decreasing slope. So we have this type of the graph, decreasing slope. Now with this graph we have to connect at x-axis or y-axis and at y-axis, or we can say the long potential axis. So when I is equal to 0. When I is equal to 0, then V is equal to E. When I is equal to 0, here I is equal to 0, then V is equal to E. So this graph will meet at this point. And when V is equal to 0, V is equal to 0, then when V is equal to 0, then we get E minus IR is equal to 0. So I is equal to E over R. So here we have this point E over R. So these are the 2 points on the graph where we will get the value of I is equal to E upon R when V is equal to 0, and when I is equal to 0 we will get V is equal to E, EMF of the cell. This I is equal to 0 means for open switch. For open switch, V, that is the terminal potential, is equal to EMF of the cell. So these are the 2 important graphs. Thank you. Hello, come to next numerical, important numerical. It is found that when R is equal to 4 ohm, then current is 1 ampere, and when R is increased to 9 ohm, then current reduced to 0.5 ampere. Resistance increase करके current क्या होगा, decrease. Find the value of E and R. So when we have the concept of EMF, internal resistance, external resistance, R and current, we must know the formula I is equal to E R plus R. So in first case, when R is equal to 4 ohm, then I is equal to 1 ampere. So by using this equation, we get 1 is equal to E 4 plus R, that is equal to E is equal to 4 plus R, equation number 1. And when R is increased to 9 ohm, then I is equal to 0.5 ampere. Then 0.5 is equal to E 9 plus R, so that becomes equal to, we can write it 1 by 2 E 9 plus R, so that is equal to 2E 9 plus R, equation number 2. So by solving 1 and 2, E is equal to 4 plus R, 2E is equal to 9 plus R, minus 5, and here minus E, so E is equal to 5 volt. So when E is equal to 5 volt, then R is equal to 1 ohm. So this is the answer. You can solve such type of the numericals easily. Thank you.